So now let's see how we can work around with the investing and finance plugin inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, I'm going to go around on to explore GPT section right here, and I'm going to go around and type in investing right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, you can see that investing and finance is an option right here. So once you go around over here, you can go around and start the chat. So let's say, for example, you want to know the latest stock information right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say list 10 of the highest stocks currently in the stock market right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that you can see that it is searching out for the stock markets right here and has currently listed out the highest stock markets right here, just like this. So these prices reflect the closing value. So let's say, for example, predict which stock will likely grow the largest in the next 10 years right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, just like this, you can see that it'll go around over here and tell. So let's say, for example, Nvidia, with its increasing demand for AI, gaming and data centers, Nvidia will be well positioned for significant growth. And then comes Amazon and Tesla and Microsoft and Apple, as you can see right here. And that is how you can see that it actually tells you. So you can also go around and say show chart of growth right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here and show chart of growth right here, just like this, and say it says to visualize the potential growth right here. You can see that it simply goes around and creates a table right here, just like this. So first of all, it calculates out the historical performance, as you can see right here, just like this. So it took 10 years of data, as you can see right here. And now you can see that it actually tells you that you can actually keep this data in Excel, and then you can make a chart out of it to actually see how it actually performs. So that is how you can go around and utilize the investing and finance plugin inside of ChatGPT to get the finance and investing insights. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.